That feeling of weakness in your legs when you stand up isn't just a random part of getting older. It's often a direct result of a silent mistake made in the first hour of the day. This mistake kickstarts a process that can rob you of your strength, your balance, and ultimately, your independence. After a long night without food, your body is in what's called a catabolic or breakdown state. It's starved for energy, and if you don't give it the right fuel, it will begin to consume its own muscle tissue to survive. The first place it looks are the largest muscles in your body, your legs. This gradual, silent muscle loss has a medical name: sarcopenia. It isn't a disease you catch. It's the age-related loss of muscle mass that sneaks up on you. One day, you notice your legs feel heavier. Another day, you need your arms to push yourself out of a chair. This is what makes a simple stumble on a sidewalk a much more serious risk. But the good news is, this process is not inevitable. You can fight back, and it starts with what's on your fork. So I urge you to stay with me, because we're about to walk through 5 powerhouse foods that can help you rebuild your foundation of strength. And the final one we'll discuss is a simple, often overlooked combination that lays the groundwork for all the others. Let's begin with whole eggs. For decades, many of us were told to worry about cholesterol. But modern science has shown that for most people, the cholesterol we eat has very little impact on our blood cholesterol. The real story is that an egg is nature's perfect protein package. The yolk, in particular, is where the magic happens. It contains vitamin D and a crucial amino acid called leucine, which acts like a spark plug for muscle repair. Think of leucine as the foreman on a construction site. It's the one that blows the whistle and tells the work crews to stop demolition and start building. Without it, the protein you eat is far less effective. The best way to prepare them to preserve these nutrients is by boiling or poaching. For an even greater benefit, try a simple scramble cooked in a little olive oil or butter and toss in a large handful of fresh spinach at the very end. The spinach adds magnesium and other minerals that support muscle function, making it a true power combination. Next, let's talk about a bowl of oatmeal topped with chia seeds. If eggs are the building blocks, oatmeal is the steady, reliable energy that fuels the construction crew all morning long. It's rich in a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When you eat it, this fiber forms a gentle gel in your stomach, which dramatically slows down digestion. This prevents blood sugar spikes and provides a sustained release of energy, so you don't experience that mid-morning slump that leaves your legs feeling heavy. This fiber also helps to calm chronic inflammation throughout the body. To elevate this meal, add a spoonful of tiny but mighty chia seeds. They are loaded with magnesium, a true hero for preventing those awful nighttime leg cramps that can jolt you out of a deep sleep. Magnesium helps your muscles physically relax. To get the most out of it, choose steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats, not the instant packets which are often preloaded with sugar. Cook a serving with water or milk, and once it's done, stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to thicken, and for flavor, add a sprinkle of cinnamon and a handful of walnuts for extra protein and healthy fats. Now for our third item, the banana, but with a smart twist. Bananas are famous for their potassium, a key electrolyte. Think of electrolytes as the spark that runs your body's electrical system, allowing your nerves to talk to your muscles. When potassium is low, those signals can misfire, leading to cramps and weakness. But not all bananas are created equal. To get the benefits without a sharp blood sugar spike, it's best to choose bananas that are still slightly green at the tips. These contain more resistant starch, a special fiber that your body doesn't digest, but your good gut bacteria love. A heavily spotted, overripe banana, while sweet, is mostly sugar and can cause a quick energy spike and crash. The golden rule is to always pair your banana with a source of protein or healthy fat. This dramatically slows down how your body processes its sugar. You can enjoy half a banana with a large dollop of Greek yogurt, a few slices alongside your eggs, or mashed onto a piece of whole grain toast with a generous smear of almond or peanut butter. Which do you prefer, a greener banana or a fully ripe one? Let me know in the comments below. Our fourth breakfast champion is plain Greek yogurt. You can think of this as the time-release capsule for your muscles. Because it's triple-strained, it has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, and it's a specific kind called casein protein, which is very slow digesting. This provides a steady drip feed of muscle-building materials to your body for hours, which is invaluable after an overnight fast. A study from Maastricht University found that older adults who had this type of protein in the morning saw significant improvements in leg strength and balance, even without adding exercise. Plus, the live probiotics in yogurt improve your gut health, which means you absorb more nutrients from all the food you eat. To make the right choice, become a label reader. In the dairy aisle, choose a plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt that lists at least 15 grams of protein per serving and has less than 10 grams of sugar. The flavored varieties are often just desserts in disguise. Finally, in our top 5, at least twice a week, consider pan-seared salmon. This might sound unusual, but fatty fish is the best natural source of omega-3 fatty acids. Think of these as a natural lubricant for your body, like putting oil on a rusty hinge. They are powerful anti-inflammatories that work at a cellular level to reduce the stiffness and soreness that make muscles feel weak. One study showed adults over 65 who ate fatty fish twice a week preserved significantly more leg muscle and had a 36% lower risk of falling. A gentle pan-sear on a small 4-ounce fillet for a few minutes per side in a little olive oil is perfect. It pairs wonderfully with a side of sliced avocado and your eggs. If cooking fish in the morning is just not for you, a few slices of high-quality smoked salmon on whole-grain toast is a fantastic no-cook option. And don't forget, canned fish. Canned salmon or sardines packed in olive oil are an affordable, incredibly healthy, and ready-to-eat option. Now, for that foundational meal I mentioned at the beginning. It's not a flashy superfood, but a simple, incredibly effective combination. A steamed sweet potato with a pinch of natural mineral salt. Its power lies in its synergy. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that slowly refuel your muscles without the sugar crash of white potatoes or bread. But the real secret is the salt. Unlike refined table salt, unrefined Celtic sea salt or Himalayan pink salt contain dozens of trace minerals, like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, that work together to maintain fluid balance in your muscle cells and ensure your nerves fire correctly. This mineral synergy is crucial for preventing cramps and that feeling of shaky weakness. The best way to use this combination is to enjoy half of a warm, steamed or baked sweet potato with a tiny pinch of this mineral salt about 10 minutes before your main breakfast. This primes your system, setting the stage to absorb all the nutrients to come. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting to be refueled. The power to fight back against leg weakness starts tomorrow morning, not in a doctor's office, but right in your kitchen. Which of these breakfast ideas are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We'll be uncovering 3 popular health foods that many people over 60 eat every morning, without realizing they could be making their legs weaker. Thank you for watching. Remember, every single morning is a new opportunity to build a stronger, more independent you. As long as you can walk strong, you are living fully. Take wonderful care of yourselves.